Hello everyone, my name is Sayin. I am 7 years old. Today is Tuesday, yes?
Yeah, Tuesday.
Yeah. Today is the day to make a boomerang paper airplane. Today I am teaching you making a boomerang paper airplane. Okay, have fun. Start to make a paper airplane. First, this is a A45 paper. A45 paper. And do this. And first do this. And that. And that. And that. Do this, everyone. So, a second. First, milauni first. Okay. Holy Belama. TV. Yes, triangle going to two sides same. Look at this. And this and this. This is wing for fly, yes. And do this for fly. This thing. It's a straight line over there. You sorry, you straight line na. See your match over there. I'll go taller. You boys see it, bro. So first, second, only you got it. My favorite part of you. Only it's a straight line. You know, throw normally is no throw first. First, do this. First, the side, and circle. And show that, and you. Oh my god. No worked.
Oh wow, donde hago?